Now, as I was saying, drugs are bad. You shouldn't do drugs. If you do them, you're bad because drugs are bad.
Wow, you know what? Up your ass.
Oh, hello, cops.
Yeah, why don't you close the door? Yeah, just open up to the world. Let
How
them
you
see
doing,
what's going on in
officers?
here. What you call the cops on me?
No.
They right outside.
Dear Lord.
Oh, hell no, they
Whoa,
came
whoa,
right
whoa,
in.
whoa.
Feels so much better. Good night's sleep.
You don't look any better, though.
Wow, you know what? Up your ass.
Oh, hello, cops.
Yeah, why don't you close the door? Yeah, just open up to the world. Let
How
them
you
see
doing,
what's going on in
officers?
here.
Not a thing to see here.
I'm wanted by the police
Yeah, go fuck yourself.
for
Okay, bye.
for assault. Yeah, yeah. Just leave the door open. Good lord.
63. Okay, so the lights do grow a little bit faster.
Obviously, you ain't from the streets.
Sir, I'm from where the streets are made out of dirt.
Okay.
And we have dirt roads down here. We don't have paved.
Yeah. That's what we up in New York call anal sex.
Oh.
Let me trail down that dirt road, baby.
The whole new meaning does riding dirt roads at 30 o'clock in the morning.
Yes, it definitely is.
We need baggies. Yeah, that's what we need baggies.
Yeah.
We'll get this guy before he closes. Dear Lord.
Damn, we got customers up the ass. What time did you set it for?
What are you talking about?
Look at the phone.
Oh, those are already done.
Oh, are they?
Yeah. See what happens when you're asleep all damn day?
Well, I told you I wasn't feeling right.
No amount of sleep can fix that, sir.
Man, my equilibrium was off.
The only thing off.
I'm about to go get Doris' old ass off her rocker.
I don't even know how to respond to that.
Neither. We got 20 more over here, if you want to grab it.
Yee.
Why them damn cops had to mess with me.
I'm just gonna shoot him next time. Let's see. Did you just come out of the trash?
Yeah, it was garbage picking. Listen, homie, I gotta make money.
Dumpster diving. Yankees can't even call it the right thing.
These Southerners gotta put something fancy to everything.
It ain't fancy.
We don't garbage pick, we dumpster dive with your little pinky in the air and shit.
No, we don't put the pinky in the air because that pinky is usually holding on to something else.
Yeah, what? Your sister?
Alabama, sir. Where's Kyle? Come here, Kyle.
Look here, Kyle. If anyone my sister, it's gonna be me. Never hear that out of a New Yorker's mouth.
Are you sure?
You'll never hear that out of my mouth then.
There you go. This chick wants something that's lethal.
Let me unzip my pants right quick.
Oh, Lord.
Where you going, baby?
She's walking away from you.
Damn.
And close the door in your face.
Fucking right
Sit
she did.
down.
She ain't got no sense of humor. Ain't nothing wrong with giving somebody a lethal injection.
Just a little protein.
Yeah, a little bit, a little bit.
You know you're really done good though when you this ain't, wait, what? What am I missing? Oh, right there. When they put it in their calorie tracking app.
Oh shit.
Snip snip.
Well, I know my shit ain't good for their blood pressure. It's just salty as fuck.
This is so hideous and boring.
Damn smokers out here.
Why are you joining them then?
I'm not. I'm picking up the garbage.
Why'd you just get shot?
I didn't get shot.
Oh, somebody did.
Wasn't me. I already got $113 from picking up garbage.
Your community service, your community service is notable. Thank you. I'll let the judge know. Ow, mother!
My bad.
You're bad?
It just grazed your ass cheek. Stop. Act like you're injured. What, you call the cops on me?
No!
They right outside.
Dear Lord.
Oh, hell no.
Whoa,
They came
whoa,
right in.
whoa,
The fuck out of here.
whoa. What changed?
I don't know.
This is new.
They just walked right in on us.
You don't see
Oh,
this
what up,
cop in front of the. You don't see the cop in front of the window?
Oh, no, I don't. And he obviously don't see me. But I got dude's gun. Oh, police are nearby? Not no more. Good Lord.
What? Sir, you do not look right. Oh.
What's up, baby? Just had to run to the corner store real quick.
That was new.
How the hell they just walked in?
I mean, well, I don't think he actually walked. I think he kind of just used
That
his
shit
face
wasn't
to
right.
aggressively knock on the door. And then you shot him
That
through the
wasn't right.
door.
Good Lord.
Oh, okay, let's go to sleep. Holy crap.
My constitutional rights violated.
Oh. I just heard the door open. Okay, that must have been the dude next door. Jesus.
Alright, can we have a better day? You're drawing too much damn attention.
Oh, Lord. Let me get us some soil. Holy crap.
Alright, did you call in for more seeds?
There should be 3 more on the shelf. Holy crap.
Oh yeah, there is.
Oh. I've never seen the cops just, right to your doorstep.
Well, I'm gonna go sell these guns. But the magazines are on the shelf, though. We all need more ammo.
When you get done, go to the hardware store and pick up the, I got it. Because I need to buy more anyway. You know, we never had the
Fuck
cops
this.
do that in a Chinese sweatshop. Just saying.
I don't know nothing. All I know is I got $2,000 from 2 of them guns.
Throw it in. We'll get the new apartment here in just a few minutes then.
Well, you need cash for that.
Oh. Stuck on the freaking door. I still can't get over how they just, you know, right on top of the freaking door.
I don't know. I just reacted. That's all I know.
Yeah. Alright. I love how it says sow seed and you just, you know, drop it in, call it a day.
What's up, Jesse? When you gonna let me This bitch turned around and walked back inside. I ain't got no game, Steel. I ain't got no game at all, apparently.
I'm pretty sure she's already seeing somebody else.
Yeah, she's gonna be seeing more of me, though, when she wants this product.
Yeah, but I think Queso's got her tied up pretty well.
Yeah, well. That's his fault.
I love how we put this stuff on here just like we're just pouring sprinkles or something on the soil.
Yeah, what is that?
Making good stuff from the start.
Oh.
Purchase a room above the Chinese restaurant. Do we get free takeout? Because that actually sounds really good today. Even though I'm making homemade KFC.
Well, wouldn't that be GFC then?
What?
You said you're making homemade KFC. I said, wouldn't it be GFC then?
What do you mean GFC? I'm so lost.
Oh, geez, what's the K stand for? What's the G stand for? Good Lord. Everything over your head.
Apparently my brain is not braining right now.
Yeah.
I know what Kentucky Fried Chicken is.
Yeah, do you know what GFC is? Georgia Fried Chicken, you idiot! What the hell? Good Lord.
Okay, sure. Uh, sure.
Hey, I got a Visa gift card for $50.
From who?
You already know. Look at that.
Lost.
Well, will it be cocaine or a hooker tonight? Who knows?
We can put that gift card towards the business and, you know, get us some more seeds. Which reminds me, I need to pay that dude off.
Fertilized or unfertilized?
Oh, Lord. What's up, Kyle? Going for a smoke break? I got something perfect for you to smoke.
Sure, dude.
I ought to shoot you. Georgia Fried Chicken.
Well,
What the hell?
I went to pay Albert, but his box is locked. I can't get in it.
You sure you're not talking to a woman?
No, I'm standing at the Albert Hoover box. Not at the Alberta. Never mind.
Dan's Hardware?
Yeah, right behind the building. Right there. How'd you get in? What, my money ain't no good? Forget him.
Probably not.
I ain't even trying to talk to him no more.
Oh.
You can deal with him.
Oh, that's fine. Waiting on this fool to show up. Go pick up trash.
Kiss my ass.
Well, we do not need to have all this rhyming going off. Let me get yeah, Miss Ming all buttered up. Oh, she don't want no buy no product. Alright. Everything goes in the bank. Withdraw.
You already get the apartment?
Doing that right now. The fat dragon.
Huh.
Yeah. I ain't gonna fight making changes to prices or anything right now. As soon as everything gets done growing this time, we'll move everything over.
Alright. Damn, shorty,
time
what's your
delivery.
name? Oh, this chick's named Chloe. That's a stripper name, bro.
Oh, look, Benji. Yeah, I don't think we're going to do dealers. I've never looked at this. Kind of interesting.
Did she tell you what she told me?
What's up?
She said one bud to see her bush.
Dear Lord. Then why did I talk to her after you then?
Well, she was
Oh, I
supposed to tell
forgot
you
you're...
because you had the product.
No, well, I thought you were just that fast.
Well, you thought right. A good time. Not here for a long time. Okay.
As long as you understand the full parameters of your actions.
All I know is at least I got off. I don't give a damn about you.
Wow. I thought maybe that's why you're single?
Could be.
Yeah, possibly. Nobody wants to buy. What's up, cop? You want some?
All I know is they keep coming back, though.
You are like hunched over running.
It's a heavy-ass basket.
God, you're old.
Shut it.
$90. That one's ready.
You walking around like you got a stick up your ass.
Possibly.
God.
You want to get some bags for us?
What kind of bags?
Product. Get like 60.
What the hell?
What?
How am I being chased by the cops already? I didn't even
What?
do it. I don't have nothing on me.
Just ignore it and it'll go away, Steel. Just ignore the gunshots and it will go away. One little bud.
I ain't got no
Two little
products on
buds.
me. I'm walking down the road
3
with
little
my little
buds.
trash collector in my hand.
4 little buds.
What the hell? Yo, why they profiling, dude? It's 6:48. There ain't no curfew. Ain't no. What the fuck was that about?
Oh,
Did you sell the cops some fucking weed or something? Trip them out?
no.
What the hell?
Has he put in the update where they actually start remembering stuff? If that's the case, we're screwed. Because that's all you do is shoot cops.
Well, shit, I got 4 bodies on this gun right now. Hell yeah, I'm screwed. I'm about to go sell it tomorrow morning so that dude gets the charges. Now I'm stuck on the top of a building. Come on.
They still chasing you?
No, I was hiding.
Oh, I was about to say. Whoa, 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 whoa. Where did you come from, Miss Ming?
Good lord.
Like you come out of a trash can.
Well, she does have a dirty box.
Okay, okay, okay. We're starting to pick up. Save it just in case he freaking loses his temper again.
What you talking about? Me?
Yeah, right when I say that, somebody else gets shot. So, yes.
Ain't losing my temper. Listen, I'm a civil person. Don't mess with me, I won't mess with you.
Ridiculous. What's up, Beth? Appreciate your patronism. Get out of here before, you know, Village decides to come over and bring the cops.
Tell Beth I'm gonna bring my love gun.
Lord. The heck is this dude? Oh, wait.
He missing.
Here. Yeah, I can probably see you over here. We need some bags. Oh, look! It's tiny, so this must be where 2-inch died.
What? I didn't die.
Anybody up here? No, good. Alright, let's... Off cop. I say you starting to do transfer.
Well, yeah.
Oh, give me a second. I got 40 to do, so. 4 little bud. 5 little
How'd your
buddies.
ass feeling where that bullet grazed you?
Just another hole. It'll be open in a couple days.
Is that a entrance or an exit?
The throughput.
So you like it both ways?
Oh.
Noted.
I'm gonna get shot next time we hang out.
I don't know if I can room with you anymore. You're giving off little crazy vibes.
It says the guy running around shooting cops.
It's because they f***ed with me.
You know, how would you like it if you were doing your job at a warehouse or something, putting boxes on a
Please.
pallet, and some dude just comes in and just starts smacking you around?
Please explain to me how that compares to what them cops was doing. Man, they profiled me. They seen me walking down the road. No, I didn't do nothing. I had nothing on me. Well, I had my gun, but that was legal. It
I mean,
ain't legal no
you are
more.
from New York.
Well, ain't nothing legal in New York. My whole life, all I do is got issues with cops. Damn it, just leave me alone.
You stop breaking the law.
What law was I breaking walking down the road? I wasn't even jaywalking, dude.
That's highly debatable.
Oh, what up, bluehead girl?
Next to Bud's Bar. Oh, right there.
Yeah.
Oh.
Was that Jesse?
Yo, what's up, girl?
I seen them legs walking across the road.
Oh, what does that say? What is it? What is her? What is? I see sleepy. What's the other side? I say.
Always. Frequently.
Oh, okay.
I don't look at her eyes.
Yeah, we'll give her one extra just for you.
Nah, man, don't be giving her no freaking special treatment. She ain't earned it yet.
Sleep well. Get better soon, old dude. You got everything moved over?
Not everything.
Whoa, wait a minute. Is that a... Oh, no, that's a pipe. I thought it was another ladder. You know, it's a really good thing cops can't see. Because the orange light from those grow beds goes through the floor.
Oh, nice.
Oh, well. Howdy ho, yip.
Cops only see what they want to see anyways.
Urgh. I got the other mags and the bat. And no storage yet. Boy.
I guess I better take this bed back since we're gonna be sharing one.
I mean, we could keep it in here for tonight. We could try sleeping in
Ah.
separate beds for once.
Well, I don't know. I ain't gonna lie. Kind of like the body heat given off by you.
I mean, that's valid. I'll give you that.
It's like you're a big cracked out teddy bear.
I mean, that's facts. Did you get the storage shelves? Because I got stuff to put up.
No, I didn't get any.
I'm gonna go talk to Oddconk. Is there a payphone right here somewhere?
I think you working for the cops.
Probably. Benji. Benji Coleman, his name is. Okay. Benji is friends with Peggy, Beth, and yeah, I already know about Benji. I just need to freaking get him on our side. Is that a gun?
Who have a gun?
Oh, that's a needle. All this time, and you still ain't got the shells up?
Shut your pie hole.
Jesus, but where's the other bed at?
In the hotel room?
Fine, I'll go sleep in the hotel.
Good. Don't come back.
If I smell Chinese anymore, I'm just gonna be eating all night.
That wasn't the pussy I was trying to eat tonight, man.
Let's go to bed. We'll see y'all later.